is an atom made of? Scientists did not know the answer immediately. Let us follow the evidence that changed our understanding of the atom. From Dalton to the modern quantum mechanical model. John Dalton proposed that matter is made of tiny atoms. He treated atoms as indivisible particles. Atoms of the same element were considered identical, and atoms combined in simple whole number ratios. J. Thomson discovered the electron using cathode ray experiments. The atom therefore contained smaller negatively charged particles. Thomson proposed a model in which electrons were embedded in a diffuse positive charge. Rutherford tested the structure of the atom using alpha particles and a thin gold foil. Most alpha particles passed straight through. Some were deflected, and a very small number were strongly deflected. The results showed that most of the atom is empty space in that positive charge and most of A mass are concentrated in a tiny nucleus. Rutherford's nuclear model placed a tiny positive nucleus at the center, with electrons outside it. But classical physics creates a problem. An accelerating charged particle should radiate energy. The electron would therefore lose energy, and the model predicts instability. Real atoms are stable. Niels Bohr proposed that electrons can occupy only certain allowed energy levels. While an electron remains in an allowed stationary state, it does not continuously radiate energy. When it moves to a higher level, it absorbs energy. When it moves to a lower level, it emits a photon whose energy equals the difference between the two levels. Bohr's model was highly successful for hydrogen and hydrogen-like species. But it was not a complete model for multi-electron atoms. It could not explain all observed spectral details. So a more complete quantum description was required. The modern quantum mechanical model does not describe an electron as following one definite circular path. Instead, it describes the probability of finding an electron in different regions of space. These regions are called orbitals. An orbit is a definite path in the Bohr model. An orbital is a region of space where there is a high probability of finding an electron. Orbit and orbital are therefore not the same thing. Different orbitals have different shapes. The s orbital has a spherical probability distribution, while AP orbital has a dumbbell-like shape. The atomic model evolves step by step. Dalton described the atom as indivisible. Thomson introduced the electron. Rutherford established the nucleus. Bohr introduced quantized energy levels. Finally, quantum mechanics replaced fixed electron paths with a probability-based description. Remember the logic. Scientists observed new evidence, found limitations in existing models, and developed better models. That is why the atomic model changed over time. For revision, remember the sequence: Dalton, Thomson, Rutherford, Bohr, and the quantum mechanical model.